Jamaican people nosy, you see, man. War go and this and that family. How wanna do? Wanna know say Jamaican people are one of the most nosy set of people them? Yes, man. So, guess what? Today, me I go call some of my friend them and me just I go just gossip and they tell them something, but most of it don't make no sense and me want to get their reaction. You ready? Alright, so me I call my first friend. Let me see what one here so. If I find the story, you know, cause me I have to get to the story as she answer, if she can answer. Turn up. Wonder if she can answer.
Hello.
Hey, me can't believe what me just hear.
What?
You're not gonna believe this. So you remember Shelly, where you used to there with Jason? Yo, the other day me
Trisha.
Eh?
I mean, if you tell this community, we know no Shelly.
Yo, the other day me hear her at town with one man where look like him couldn't be her father. But hear this. The man a rub her back and a whisper in her ears like them a lover. Me say, me have to look good, cause me the thing say maybe our uncle or something. Me even think say her uncle, you know. But then me see the man a kiss her upon her neck. Me say, me call Kim fi tell her, and Kim say she did hear say Shelly did there with one big man. You hear about it?
No.
But listen, wait there. It get worse. Jason will find out and I run up upon them at the plaza and start cause Shelly say she a gold digger. And she a broke pocket girl. Shelly say she and Jason did done long time, but Jason start ball and I say I lie. Shelly I tell. You know hear a story?
No.
Stop going some man. Yo, the man Shelly, eh? The man Shelly there with just look pan Jason and say, young man, love the lady, she a big woman. And then me hear Shelly, I tell the man, say, baby, leg on me hand, make me deal with this fool. Yo, me can't believe this. Yo. Why? Eh?
I'm kind of confused.
You never hear a story?
No.
Really?
No, me hear what you just tell me, you know, but me kind of confused. Like, me don't know them people they are something you are cheering.
You don't know Shelly and Jason?
No, with Shelly and Jason.
Show your man you're there behind time. I think so you will know them. Alright, later.
No, who that Trisha? Where me know them from?
Go back and think. Me say Shelly. And me say the man when she there with him now hold up and grey up and she and him no match at all.
Trisha me confused.
We are confused so you know Shelly? I can't believe this. Let me call Stephanie because I know Stephanie knows Shelly. Alright.
Me don't know one worldwide person.
One worldwide person? Yes, I want a worldwide person.
Probably that person that in there on before me. Come in and recall now Shelly. And not Jason.
Alright, maybe. Alright. Later. Maybe I know you me if I tell this.
Yeah, like the name them not connect to me. Probably them person that is there when bitches come around, I mean I recognize them.
Oh. Yeah, maybe. Alright.
I don't know them. So something like that really good on for you?
Then that me just tell you.
Okay. Well, alright.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Me say, you see, she don't want to end up, because she want to hear the rest of the tour. Me say Jamaican people, they not easy. We love drama. Even though I don't like that story, I mean, say me get one next story. That story, mix up story. Well, comment below and tell me, what would you do if your friend just call you and just gossiping like that? Would you have the same response? Comment below and let me know. I go call my sister because a person then I'll pick up. Hope she pick up. Hey.
Eh?
Yo, Trudy.
Oi.
Me have to tell you this because me can't keep it to myself. You remember Miss Janet, the lady will sell bag juice up on the road there, so?
Mm-hmm.
Guess what? Our cat no start to talk. Me say our cat start chat like a real human.
Our what?
Our cat start chat. And the name of them here, the cat, I tell her, me no want no more dry food. Give me good food.
Mm-hmm.
What make you think say cat a chat though?
I must say, Bible this speaks about things happening, things will be happening, or we can explain, not the last year.
Boy, me no know if I dop here or up here. But me say Janet run left her house. The whole community they on the edge. People are say, oh, them a go call pastor fi come pray. Real sitting, you know?
I think we should try if people for something else then. So I should make the push out our own.
But me hear say the cat gone missing though, you know. Me I tell her this not normal. You ever hear nothing like this yet, boy?
So it just missing so.
That.
And I say, I wish we could try again with the donkey. I didn't make the donkey talk. I told my man did that beat the donkey.
And the other day, plane gone missing.
You want angel. And they stop the angel.
The other day, plane gone missing, you know. So, what you say about the angel?
Not the angel, but this remember the story in the Bible about the donkey, when the donkey did have to talk.
Ah, Jesus.
Me did say something like one prophet and say, things are going to be happening in the year, you know.
Lord have mercy. And with all the plane them with the drop out of the sky and all of that, I read the last days we live in.
Things are going to be happening this year especially. And I'm top trouble, me just cover myself and let people that.
Exactly. Me no know if me we have one person in chat, what me would do. If we would run.
Me just try to find out what they got on.
That no look normal at all.
I'm finding out if I just that they want something. Alright, normally just alright, just normally talk him and talk on a whole. Like say like for 3 days straight or whatever straight.
And then the puss go missing. How could I cause the puss be gone missing though?
Something.
Alright, me dear. Alright, me call you back later. Me just want to tell you to worry. Alright,
I
cool.
want my husband next time.
Eh? Get to finish watch. Try somebody else. Who me can call now? Let's see if me can get Chana.
No.
What go on?
There.
Me say, girl, me hear say one of the biggest church deaconess in the community I have one affair with one married man. You know hear?
You're married girl? What kind of married girl?
Me say, our man her best friend husband.
Alive.
Me say two of them went close, you know. Me can't believe she don't know. Well, you want to know what the real tea is? The husband just promised the deaconess, say him a leaving wife soon. Me say, Lord Jesus, the whole church get messy. So you know hear the story?
No.
No, so the story Tinker Road. Eh? Eh? Yes. So you know who me attack?
No. How come you think them?
Me say, and it was them my best friend few much years, you know, nearly 20 years.
I lie.
You know the church sister will always dress well at her up in a high pike heel and go on like she better than everybody. I fear her husband me attack.
Yeah, she don't want to check up.
You hear what me I say?
I should have wanted to up that.
Me want hear how it a go when pastor hear about this. Hey. Hey. Alright, me dear child, me just when I call her to spill the tea. Later. Eh? Why? Later, my girl. Yeah. You see how we love people too. Me say, but me I wonder if she really believe me though. His story is so believable. On to the next. Let me go see who else. One more, me I do one more. Me I call one next male friend. Hey, me say me want tell her one tour sitting where I go on back down a me side. Me say, me hear say one of the biggest church deacon in the community I have one affair with one married man, one of the deaconess.
Woman?
No, one of the deaconess have affair.
With a deacon?
Yeah, and the man our best friend husband, you know.
And trust me, yourself. I mean, I don't know. I understand how you feel about it, but it's shocking. But, you know, well, I don't like respond to these things because I'm not really against the church, but I've observed these things over the years so much that I mean, tell her.
And you know, say the man is actually her best friend husband. And the and the two women then so close, me can't believe say she don't know.
Yeah, there are times when they don't know because you see the church provide the outlet. You see them go somewhere, them go prayer meeting. There might be some of that. Some women trust their husband as Christian too much too. And another side to it is that sometimes when she is not in a position to be totally independent, sometimes them just stick with it and stay in it, hoping that one day them can get out of it.
But you know what the real tea? The husband just promised the deaconess, say him a go leave his wife soon. So now the whole is like the whole church a get messy now.
First thing is that whether man or woman, anybody make that promise to you, you have to know so that will happen to you too.
Lord have mercy.
If him can leave him wife, if you're a side chick, then he can leave him side chick and go back to his wife. Or to another woman.
Why not look good at all? Me not tell no lie. Me never think some would have hear them at Toria.
You remember them, the person from Malvern, where they breed the mother, breed the wife, and they were the grandpicnic or something like that. And man, they would tie upside down, man. You remember the story about 4 years ago?
No, Cyphers, me I hear that. Lord have mercy, what a dirty sitting.
Malvern, man, and all the principal of Malvern, they go to the church and she never said nothing. And I think then they either put her on suspension or they fire her. Because she didn't want to say nothing. When I paid them, I said I go to school.
Who she get pregnant? The mother?
No, him there with the mother.
Mm-hmm.
Him there with the mother.
Mm-hmm.
Him there with the mother. Him breed. Him there with three of them. Him there with the mother. Him there with the daughter. And I think the grandchild. Him there with the same time, you know, and something like me I tell you about 3 or 5 years after and I one him. Same time him there with the one of them.
Me jeez. And get them pregnant at the same time?
Oh, name, man. I know it's pastor from Malvern right now. They could have put that tonight.
Lord have mercy.
They are prison, don't know if him come out of prison. But guess what? The whole religious fraternity never said nothing. After about 2 weeks, after the story come out, you know, reviews from Nationwide, wait. After 2 or 3 weeks, one man him come out and say, tell me something. I am here waiting to see if I can wait on the clergy in Jamaica to come out and say something so that I can address this matter publicly. Where is the church? Where is the leadership of the church?
I him say so.
I him expose all the man there prison now. I him come out after the news come out, you know. Him a wait because no, and that I'm telling you, me. As I say, I don't like to talk about this because already from a little me I hear and know about them organizations in the church. And because I'm an open person, I am the last to defend nobody and to defend the church.
Well, that's it, guys. You know, sister Jamaican people of gossip. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the post notification bell. See you in my next video. Jamaican culture, Jamaican people, Jamaican walk, Jamaican talk.